Because we've just been released from by the police. And I'm here with a lawyers. We just left the police station. Now the police just released us. They dragged us, harassed us, beat us, and then took us to the Federal Secretariat police station. We weren't detained. We were taken to the office of the DPO, and eventually he brought us to the Federal High Court to confirm if we had a case there or not, because we are also going for the case of this Dunamis 5 arrested the other day at Dunamis Church, and the hearing is ongoing. So they have no reason to have arrested me. I told them they have no right to arrest me. I have the right to observe the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. I said I'll be there, and now we're heading back to court, but I hear the case has just been adjourned. I don't know which dates, but I think our case is still ongoing. I will go back there and hear our case. But I went back to the fifth floor location of the trial, where I was supposed to have seen Kanu. I actually was walking towards the courtroom and it was turned back. But I saw all the lawyers, and the place is taken over by the DSS. They took over the entire place. So we're heading back to the Federal High Court to still follow up on our own case. The police took our card and deleted it all. They deleted all our cards, and we're back at the Federal High Court, and we're going to go to see our own case, which is the Dunamis 5 case, which is ongoing.